We do have some beautiful weather that is continuing for us, albeit dry. Allergy sufferers, I'm apologizing because it's not just the ragweed, it's also dust that is definitely a part of what the suffering is, happening right now. We do have another pleasant night on tap. Clear skies to continue. We'll be in the upper 50s, low 60s to begin the day tomorrow, and those clear skies are just going to continue for us through the day. We may have a little bit of atmospheric smoke that is passing through northeast Ohio. This is from wildfires well out to the west of us and in Canada too. We had a beautiful sunset tonight, very vivid orange color of the sun. We'll probably see that for sunrise and sunset tomorrow. We have been locked in this weather pattern. It's a very stagnant weather pattern because of stubborn high pressure that's sitting off the east coast. The remnants of what was Hurricane Francine continue to spin here over western sections of Tennessee, bringing them even more rain than they have had, and a very unsettled kind of forecast for areas of the southeastern United States, including Jacksonville, where the Browns will be headed on Sunday. And that is because of onshore flow that is all associated with that darn high pressure that is sitting off the east coast. High pressure has a kind of large and in charge personality, okay? It has a settling effect in the atmosphere. Literally, the air is descending in the atmosphere. It is pushing down on the surface, and that means that we can't get any lifting. Lifting is what brings clouds and whatnot. Every now and then you'll get a little layer in there that's kind of messes things up a little bit. We call that a dirty high. But anywho, beyond all of that, more importantly, we have a clockwise flow of that wind. As it's coming down through the atmosphere, it is spinning out, and we have that onshore flow as a result of that big area of high pressure to the east. Once that high begins to break down a little bit, we should finally start to open the door to some of this tropical moisture coming in, but it's not going to happen anytime soon. As a matter of fact, by early next week, we may start to see some organization taking place of some kind of a system off of the southeast coast. If that does indeed happen, that would be Helene, the next storm in the series for the year. Gordon just formed today as a tropical storm out in the middle of the Atlantic. So as you can see, there's just a little bit of a spin right there. That could become Helene. And if it does become Helene and holds together and does what we hope it will do, it will bring some much needed moisture back to us as we head into the start of next week or middle of next week with that very meager 30% chance for rain on Wednesday. So things are not looking all that great. Now, as far as the forecast goes in your National Designer hour by hour forecast, 85 tomorrow, sunny. Again, summery. It looks like we could have an east wind again, so we'll look out on the west end of the lake for some choppy water. Union Home Mortgage forecast keeps us in the mid-80s with sunshine all the way through Monday. A few clouds get in here Tuesday, and Wednesday, that little bit of a rain chance does sneak in.